Hello everyone, it's Kevin here again. I'm going to draw and paint a lighthouse this time. So I'm using a fountain pen with black ink and drawing out the outline to start things off. It's just a simple seaside scene. So it won't take long to get all the necessary details in to the picture. I hope you enjoyed my previous painting of the longhorn bull. Something quite different. Something I quite enjoyed painting as well, and I hope you enjoyed the subject. If you get some benefit out of these videos, please like and subscribe. So I'm just putting the finishing touches on the side part there, on the top. And the seaside wouldn't be the seaside without a couple of seagulls. So there's a pathway going around there. And an old fence. And the sea is over there. There's not much to see of the sea. But there's a sort of a brick, or not a brick, but a stone embankment there in the front, in the foreground. I'm not being too fussy with the detail there. So just to show that there's some rocks there of different shapes and sizes. Just to get them in and create a little bit of interest there. So the next part is to put in some colour. And I'm putting in rather a drab sort of sky, an ominous looking sky. So that the lighthouse will stand out against the sky. The colour is very interesting. It just gives it some life and makes it look something anyway. You will probably have noticed that these discussions that I give with the video are off the cuff. I don't have a script, so I endeavour to go along with what's being done in the picture. This is a very small painting done in a sketchbook, about 8 by 5 inches. So I wanted to do something a bit smaller since doing the bigger painting of the Texas Longhorn. The one thing I do like is variety. I don't like being stuck doing one subject all the time. I do like painting as a genre, watercolor, acrylic, oil, but as far as subjects go, I've always painted something different. So now I'm putting in a bit of shadow there, being cast down the side, down the front. I'm just taking my time to do it, to make sure that it looks okay. When it comes to painting, there isn't really a rush unless you've got a client who's got a deadline coming up. So things are falling into place now. Just putting the sea in there, the small amount that we can see, to give it some semblance of what the story's about and where it is. And of course there's a few windows going down. They're quite a nice subject to paint, actually. the Lighthouse. They're very simple for beginners. They're such an easy type of subject to do. And you can use your own colour scheme and put in whatever you like, a few trees, a few more bushes, a few sand shells and things like that. So I didn't bother doing that, I just put the rocks in the front, just to give it a wee bit of depth. I quite like the colour, you know, of the lighthouse. I've got Snowy the dog here with me today. He's rummaging around in his bed. I think he's getting ready to settle down now. So he's just scratching around trying to get the right position, as you can probably hear. So the rocks are there protecting the shoreline, probably there to stop the waves. And just to add a bit more of the similar colour to balance the picture out. As I say, it's a simple painting, easy enough to do, not a lot of detail to worry about. And these sort of subjects can be done in a few minutes or an hour or so. And so there you can have a picture done very quickly and see something for the small amount of time that you put in. So it gives one a lot of satisfaction that you can do a few of these a day and see some really good results. So I would ask you to like and subscribe if you get some value out of these videos. So until next time, cheerio for now. Bye-bye.